probably not supposed to be doing this while I'm driving, but... So right now, I'm on my way to Ava's house. Driving is really boring, so see you guys. So I'm about 10 minutes out from Ava's house, and it's the middle-ish of it's the end of February, and it's really warm out. Like, there's so much sun, and it's like 60, oh that's gross, but it's like 60 degrees, and it was around 70 as I was driving down. So the weather should be hopefully pretty good tomorrow, but Massachusetts I've heard is pretty cold, so I don't know how that'll go. So I'm here with Ava.
Hi.
She's solving. And we're watching Friends. Hey, sub 9. Good job. So we're here.
Yeah, we're at a hotel. Tomorrow's WPI, Winter Cube Day.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh.
Yeah, that's such a fail.
Sorry.
This is how the time.
Oh, right.
Okay, so wait, R2, F down, L prime,
down.
the green.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it's green.
Okay, so R2,
down.
R2, F down.
Yeah, that. 50.
You got a 50?
I thought it was not. One? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, yeah, let's move. Okay.
I almost read it. You. Alright. Wait, you two. No, you. Okay.
It's gonna take a really long time for me to call.
What? Wait, what? Okay. Are you a
Oh. I'm trying to do this. Oh, wait.
What do you do here? Oh, okay.
No.
Let me do 2 chats. No. Oh my god. You were.
Yeah. my god.
It's okay.
So the day before WPI was super fun. All I learned was that I'm really bad at team events, and we were able to wake up at around 7:30 the next morning because we stayed in a hotel nearby.
Yeah, oh, my jacket.
I mean, yeah, fix the jacket.
Oh my god, it's so windy. Okay. Yes. Okay, yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's so windy, but this is the... Oh, okay, this is kind of weird. Okay.
So we ended up getting to the location around right when 2x2 started, and the venue was really nice. It was really big, and towards the beginning of the day the lighting was really great, but as the day went on the lighting sort of got really bad because there was only natural lighting. So during 3x3 finals nobody could see anything almost, and I was confusing like white with yellow and stuff, but it was a pretty cool comp overall. So here's just a quick overview of the venue.
We're scrambling. Yeah. Not fun.
Yeah.
Hi Dana. Hi Sam.
So the first thing I did was Ava and we scrambled 2x2 I think for the first couple of heats. That's pretty boring because it takes about 1-2 seconds to scramble a 2x2. The first event of the day was 2x2, and I was too lazy to get mine out of my bag, so I borrowed Ava's old plastic die-in one. And I got 5 4s in a row, so I guess it was consistent, but I don't really practice 2x2, nor do I really care. So the next event was 3x3, and I actually cared about this one, though I didn't really practice, so the average wasn't the greatest. It was like a 8.85, I believe. I did get 2 more sub-8 singles, and my second best official solve ever, which was a 7.16. It was full step, and that was pretty cool, but I also got a DNF in this average because I can't apparently start timers. So that happened. After that, I scrambled a lot of 3x3 and judged, so here's a quick clip of me scrambling and Ava judging. So after that came pure minks, which I don't particularly enjoy. I was also too lazy to get my pure minks for this one, so I borrowed Sam's. And the judge did something weird on my first solve, but whatever, I don't really care. I was honestly more excited for lunch that was next. Lunch. This is a pretty nice campus.
It's going, but it looks like it's dead.
Yeah. It's not dead. It's almost dead.
It was wicked fun.
What are you saying?
After we got back from lunch, we did Scoob, which is an event I personally do not care at all for, but I did manage to get a 5 single, which is my official PB by 7 seconds. That's approximately how much I care for this event. If it isn't already terribly obvious, I don't really practice that many events, so for OH, I have really small hands, so I don't really practice. Sadly, in 3x3 round 2, which I did care for, I managed to mess up. I also managed to defy the laws of physics. I don't know how that works. After that came 5x5, which I actually have been practicing a little more than I have normally, but I'm really inconsistent in comps, so competitions are usually hit or miss, but I managed to get 3rd with this really crappy average, so I guess I'm pretty happy about that. After that, I did 6x6. I don't really know why, because I don't practice, and the last solves that I did before this competition were officially at, I believe, Clifton. 6x6 is just too big for my hands, and I got 6 parodies, so that was no fun at all.
Hello.
I somehow made it into 2x2 round 2, and I used my own 2x2, and I actually got like a I got like a 3.5 average, which I guess is pretty good for me, but it's 2x2, so again, whatever. The last event of the day obviously was 3x3 finals, and it was at this point that the venue got really, really dark, So I'm not going to blame it completely on the venue because I know I was extremely nervous, but it was really hard to tell certain colors apart, for me at least. And now we clean. I managed to somehow corrupt the award ceremony file, but basically I got 3rd in 5x5 and 2nd in 3x3, and the podium was me standing next to taller people as per usual. Okay, so we're leaving.
Yeah.
We both podiumed in 3x3 and 5x5, and Ava podiumed in 2x2. Nice job.
Girls are better.
Yeah,
We got first and second.
66% of the 3x3 podium was female. Therefore, we are better.
Yeah.
I think it was a really good comp. Staff was amazing.
Because we were in it.
Because we were in it. Yeah, so now we're just going to find food.
Yep.
And the campus is nice too. It's so shaky. Oh my gosh.
That's nice.
And it's very cold. I am very cold. So, we're eating Dunkin' for dinner.
Yeah, donuts for dinner.
Yeah. And coffee and hot chocolate.
Yeah.
So today was fun. I broke 2 PBs.
I wrote 4.
Yeah.
Wait, no, you wrote 3.
Wait, I did?
Cube, 2 and 2x2 single, and 6x6.
Oh yeah, I broke 3 PBs. Now we're enjoying our donuts.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was WPI. Yeah.
Thanks for watching.